You guys, I've been on vacation for a week and I just remembered. I have a recital the day I get back. What should I do? You might have noticed that for today's video, I'm not sitting at a piano or a keyboard. As musicians, there are times we want to work on our craft, but we don't have access to an instrument. Don't worry, there are lots of ways we can practice music without having a piano in front of us. Studies show that rehearsing an activity in your mind can sometimes be just as effective as doing the real thing. Just get out your music book or use your memory and play through the whole piece in your mind. This way you can test your knowledge of the piece without relying on your muscle memory. You'll really need to know how it goes, and I suggest you try this once in a while even if you do have access to a piano. One famous pianist named Walter Giza was known to learn pieces away from the piano first, sometimes learning and memorizing an entire concerto while sitting on a train on the way to his next concert. If you don't have an urgent song to learn, you can still keep up on developing your sense for music while away from home. Actively listening or singing to music, especially while reading the sheet music, is one great idea. Or try working on other musicianship skills, such as note or chord recognition, rhythm practice, or even ear training. Reading and learning about composers can also be an interesting way and helpful to understanding the music you're learning. And finger exercises are really helpful to develop your finger strength while away from the piano. Check out our piano lesson in the link to see how Mr. Hoffman teaches his students this exercise. If you have a younger musician, our website features lots of fun printable games and activities that help teach music theory. Check it out. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know you want to see more topics like this one. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. If you are looking to learn a new song today, you can start by clicking the link down here. Happy practicing, and see you next time.